how to add skills in your Claude account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can add skills to your Claude account. So if you don't know about skills, then skills are customizable, reusable instruction sets or scripts or maybe resources which are often organized in skill.md files. They teaches Claude to perform specific workflow or tasks, and they are available on the Pro, Team and Enterprise plans. So basically, they allow Claude to act as an agent by dynamically loading specialized knowledge to automate tasks like code generation, document analysis, and data analysis. So let's see how we can load skills into our Claude account. So in order to load skills in our Claude account, once you have logged into your Claude UI, you can see the tabs over here over the left hand side. Now you can see this bag-like icon that says customize. So click onto this customize option, and from here at the top you will see skills. Click onto the skills option, and from here you have these bifurcations. So you have example skills and you also have the personal skills that you have added. So as here you can see, I have already added some skills like the UI UX master and the Frappe coding standard base. Now apart from that, if you wish to add any skill, you can simply click onto this plus icon, and from here either you can create the skill file with Claude, or you can write it yourself, or if you already have a skill set file, you can simply click onto this upload a skill and then click over here. Now from here, simply navigate to that particular directory where you have saved the skill. So for example, this humanizer skill, then click onto this open button, and you can see that the skill has been successfully uploaded. So that's how easily you can load skills into your Claude account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.